Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you the difference between Appsheet and Google App Maker. So Google Appsheet is a no-code development platform from Google that allows users to build mobile and web apps using data from sources like Google Sheets, Excel, and SQL databases. It's aimed at business users who want to automate workflows and create custom apps without programming. Now for Google App Maker, it is a low-code platform from Google designed to build internal business apps with G Suite. So for the pros and cons of each, so the pros of Appsheet is that it is no code, it is supported by mobile and web, it has automation, it also has Google Workspace integration, and it is active and supported. Now the cons of it is that it has limited UI customization, so less design freedom compared to traditional app development. And the pricing tiers, some advanced features are required pay plans, and the learning curve for logic or expressions are very hard. So let's head on over to Google App Maker here. So the pros of it is that it has low code flexibility, allows some custom coding like HTML, CSS, and JS like JavaScript for more control, and it was also integrated with G Suite and worked well with internal business workflows, and it has a customizable UI. The cons of it is that it has limited adoption and cloud platform dependency, and lastly, it was discontinued and it was no longer supported or maintained since 2021. So Appsheet is the current actively supported platform on Google for building no-code apps quickly and ideal businesses for automation and internal tools. And the Google App Maker is obsolete and no longer in use. So if you want to do something with Google and apps, Google App Maker doesn't exist anymore. So yeah, you can just use Appsheet. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.